Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the basic eye makeup brushes that you would need in your makeup kit. So there are an abundance of makeup brushes available in the market in different sizes, shapes and material, but you certainly don't need all of them. So before starting with the video, I want you guys to understand that everyone has different eye shapes. Like someone might have this lifted or someone might have a hood ear. So you need to try and test out the brushes that fit perfectly according to your eye shape. So basically what I'm trying to say is, like, there are so many blending brushes available in the market and they might not suit your eye shape. So like this one has a flat top, so it can be used to buff up the edges, and the other one I have is this has long bristles, so this will cover more surface area. So if the space you have is more over here, then you must go with this kind of a brush. The next I have is with short bristles, so it's going to cover less surface area, so the space I have here is less and this fits perfectly into my eyes. This way there are so many brushes available in one category, and when you start using it you'll eventually figure out that what kind of brush fits perfectly for your eye shape. Right, so now let's dive right into the video. Okay, so I am going to start with a blending brush. They are softer, less dense and looser than the crease brush, which makes a smoother transition between the shades. So I'm going to take this soft brown color as my transition shade and I'm going to apply it and then blend and buff everything so that there are no harsh lines. Alright, moving on to the crease brushes, and as you can see that there are so many types of crease brushes available in the market. So the first one has a pointed top which packs the color on a concentrated area. So with this brush I can precisely apply the color in my crease without spreading it all over my lid. So you just need to pick the color and press the color into the crease and then just swipe it till you get the desired color. So as you can see that this brush goes along the crease and gives more precise application. Okay, so then we have these angled brushes. They add more depth and dimension to the eyes and are used to contour the crease. But as you see, when I place these brushes, they are too big for my eye shape, so I do not use them in my crease. I just use them to blend out the colors just like this. Okay, moving on to pencil brushes. Usually these brushes are small, pointed and dense. Basically when you want color on a more precise area, you must opt for such brushes. Okay, so now I've taken the brown color that I initially used in my crease and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. And these brushes work great for smudging and softening the lash lines. So these are great brushes to create that V shape in the outer corner of the eyes. Now I'm going to use this precision concealer brush. Basically this is not for beginners. When you're doing a cut crease, then you can smoothly blend and apply concealer to the eyes. Hard reach and specific areas can be covered with this brush. So as you can see that I'm doing a slight cut crease here so that the color pops even more. Right, now moving on to flat shader brush. This is a densely packed brush and it helps to apply shimmer evenly across the lids. Alright, now moving on to a smudge brush. They help to create a smudging effect and they can go really close to the lash line and give a smoky smudged effect. Now moving on to angular brushes. They come with a little long corner and they are perfect for drawing dramatic wing using gel liner. As I want a smudged liner look, so I'm going in with this really small smudging brush and I'm just going to smudge the gel liner. Now lastly, to highlight my brow bones and inner corner of the eyes, I'm going in with the brush and this has a slightly pointed top. It's similar to the brush that I used for my crease. Now lastly, I'm just going to go in with the eyelash curler and then top it off with mascara. Alright guys, so in this video I've spoken about 6 different kind of brushes and these are the basic brushes that you would need to carry any eye makeup. So once you start doing the eye makeup, you'll get the hang of it and you'll eventually figure out that this brush fits perfectly for your eye shape. I hope this video turns out to be useful for you guys, and I don't think so that I've missed out on any basic brush, and see you all in my next video.